In this video, I am going to show you how to create an Upscrolled account. So first you need to download the Upscrolled app from the Play Store, then open it. Then here you can see create account, tap on it. Now enter your name, email and date of birth. Tap on next. Now create a strong password. After creating password, tap on next. After that, Upscrolled will send you a verification code on your mail. Tap on next. Now click on verify. Now set your username and details and click on sign up. And that's it. That's how you can create an Upscrolled account. Thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate your support and hopefully I will see you on the next video.